subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Realme 10 Pro back in November last year, the company has now launched the special edition of it in India as Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition. And it has a lot of customized features related to Coca-Cola theme like app icons, notifications, ringtones and more. Now let's see the specifications of the Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition smartphone.
The Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 93.76% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using dynamic RAM expansion technology, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner that houses a 108MP main camera with Samsung HM6 sensor, and there is 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W SuperVOOC fast charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box based on Realme UI 4.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.7 by 74.2 by 8.3mm, and it weighs around 192 grams.
So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone.
The Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition is now available for purchase in India at a price of 20,999 Indian rupees.
So what do you guys think of this Realme 10 Pro Coca-Cola edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.